Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am sharing, I believe it's entry number 5. Yes, entry number 5 into my Anything Goes paper crafting challenge. You still have some time to get your entries in. I'm closing it out. I think it's like June 13th so that I have time to edit the videos and draw a winner. So today I'm sharing this entry from Ginger at Ginger's Plans Crafts Beauty. I will link her channel down below. She has tons of great videos with planning, and she does a lot of hauls. And she sent this package, so let me quick look, see what we have. It looks like she sent over a beautiful pocket letter. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let me just grab this note real quick. Oh, she's so sweet. Oh, Ginger, thank you for that sweet note. That's very nice. So yes, she's sharing this super cute doodle bugs pocket letter with me. And I'm sorry, I have my camera set up at a weird angle today because I have to start planning out my cross-country season, and so my other counter right now has all of my cross-country files on it. So okay, here we go. Onto this beautiful pocket letter from Ginger. I love pocket letters. I need to make more of these. Oh, look at this. Love. Ginger, I don't know if you know this, but I have a hoard supply of Post-it notes. I love Post-it notes. They're my absolute favorite, and I'm so lucky to be adding that to my collection. Thank you so much. Look at how cute this pocket letter is. Oh, it's the craft theme, create with this adorable paper. Look at how cute these little Copic markers are. Oh, so many cute details. I love it. Yeah, this paper is the ultimate in cuteness. And then look, here's a beautiful fancy pen. Thank you for that. And look at this, all these beautiful goodies on the back. How fun. Okay, so in this pocket, we have some sequin. So cute. These are square sequin. I want to put everything back as it is so I could just like look at it over and over. Here we have some really cute ribbon. So fun. And this possibly, we have some samples of washi tape. Wow, look at how nice that black one is. Love that. So pretty. Put those back over there. And then on this side we have a pink doily. So pretty. And we have some tokens of hearts. These are so cute. I love those. Love, love.
And on this side we have
these so fun little heart stickers. How cute are those? And in this bottom one, even more goodies. I'm sorry, I don't know why I can't get these out appropriately. Look at this little Doodle Pop sticker. Chocolate bites. Fun. And on this side, oh, she shared some of the little cards so I can make my own projects. Cute. Such cuteness. And I think this pocket was the only one that I missed. Oh, she shared some flowers. Ginger, this is so cute, and I'm definitely going to put this all back together just as I found it off camera. But thank you so much for your entry. I love pocket letters. I definitely want to like send some more out. I used to send them out all the time. The cutest way to share goodies with your pen pal. So thank you so much for entering in my challenge. And I do know that you did do a VR for my video. So here's your first entry. And your second entry for your project, which is so adorable. Thank you so much. It's so cute. So 2 entries. and they're going right into my glass jar. There we go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and link Ginger's channel down below. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you will consider entering my Anything Goes paper crafting challenge. Take care, guys. Bye.